हेलो डियर फ्रेंड्स, बिजनेस हेल्पलाइन चैनल को आपण मान को बहुत बहुत स्वागत। आज आम देखा तरुण गोयल जनरल नॉलेज बुक रो इतिहास बा आपणकर हिस्ट्री चैप्टर देखा जोटा कि बहीर संपूर्ण सारांश रहिबो। परीक्षा रे पूरा जेमि अविकल प्रश्न पड़ुछि से बेला आमे आज डिस्कशन करबा जोटा कि पार्ट नंबर 36 कोन देछि। आज हम वैदिक एज विषय पढ़िबा। कोन द वैदिक एज इज द नेम आफ्टर द वेदास, द अर्लीस्ट स्क्राइब्ड text of India. It is divided into two phases: early Vedic period 1500 to 1000 BC, later Vedic period the 1000 to 600 BC. The Aryans are believed to have migrated into India from the Central Asia, probably via Iran and Afghanistan. The Rig Veda is the earliest Veda and primary source of early Vedic history. The Vedic age coincided with the Iron Age in India. Early Vedic society was largely pastoral. Later Vedic society became agrarian. Okay, the language of the Veda was the Vedic Sanskrit. The term Arya was used in the denote the noble or civilized people. The Dasas and Dasus, okay, were indigenously people who later got integrated into Vedic society. Vedic society gradually moved from the Sapta Sindhu region, Punjab, to the Ganga Yamuna Dwap. Next asila the four Vedas: Rig Veda, Samveda, Yajurveda, Atharva Veda. Rig Veda is the oldest collection of 1028 hymns to the various deities. Samveda is books of chant used in rituals. Then asla Yajurveda contains कौन statistical formulas. Then asla Atharva Veda include spells, charms and folk practices. The other Vedic text ଅଛି कौन Brahmanas, Aryans, then Upanishads. The Upanishads focus on the philosophical idea like Brahmana, Atmana and Moksha. Vedic religion was polytheistic in centered around the nature worship. Important deities Indra war ପାଇଁ ଥିଲେ, Agni ଥିଲେ fire ପାଇଁ, Varuna ଥିଲେ cosmic order ପାଇଁ, then सोम ଥିଲେ ritual drink ପାଇଁ, यज्ञ sacrifice were central religious practices. ଆପଣ ଯଦି कंटेंट ଭଲ ଲାଗୁଛି ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ଲାଇକ୍ ସେୟାର ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ। OPSC ASO 2025 ର ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଯଦି ଇ ବୁକ୍ ଦରକାର କିମ୍ବା ସ୍ମାର୍ଟ ଇ ବୁକ୍ ଦରକାର ଆପଣମାନେ ଏଠି ପଢ଼ି ସାରିକି ଡିଟେଲରେ କ୍ୟୁଆର୍ କୋଡ଼ ସ୍କାନ୍ କରିକି ନେଇପାରିବେ। ନହେଲେ ମୁଁ ଏଇ ଲିଙ୍କ ଗୁଡ଼ାକୁ ଆପଣ କମେଣ୍ଟ ସେକ୍ସନରେ ପିନ୍ କରିଦେବେ, ଆପଣ ସେଇଠି ବି ପାଇପାରିବେ। OSSC ଓ SSC ପାଇଁ ଆପଣ ଯଦି ଇ ବୁକ୍ ଦରକାର डिटेल पढ़ी पारे, पढ़ी आप पिक्चर्स देखिए आपण मैंने क्यूआर कोड स्कान कर नहीं पारे। जदि आपको किसी असुविधा अच्छी कमेंट सेक्शन में पिन दे आपण को लिंक मिल जाए, आपण मैंने पाइबे। किसी जदि डाउट अच्छी निश्चय 99379222 नंबर व्हाट्सएप करेंगे। सोसाइटी वाज practical and patrilineal. The basic of the society of family and code. The social structure was based on the Varna. Brahmins ଥିଲେ priest, କ୍ଷତ୍ରିୟ ଥିଲେ warriors, Vaishyas ଥିଲେ trader ଆଉ ଶୂଦ୍ର ଥିଲେ servant. In early Vedic period, Varna was based on the occupation, not birth. Women had respectable status in the early Vedic period, could attend assemblies. Polygamy was the prevalent among the king and nobles. Sati was not a Vedic practice. Gotra, clan, lineage system involved in the later Vedic period. The ashrama system, the last stages of life developed later on brahmacharya, grihastha, vanaprastha, sannyasa. Education was imparted orally in gurukuls. Early Vedic polity was tribal, led by the Rajan chief. Not standing army or bureaucracy in the early period. Later Vedic period saw rise of the kingdom and monarchy. Sabha and Samiti were tribal assemblies. In the later Vedic age, the power of the king increased. Land was not private property in early Vedic times. Economy was pastoral. Cow was main wealth. Agriculture became dominant in later Vedic period. Use of the iron due to Krishna's area revolutionized in agriculture. Barter system prevailed. Coin and Nishank Satamana were later used. Then ଆସିଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କର କ'ଣ ପୁରୁଷ ସୂକ୍ତ hymn in Rigveda explain origin of the Varnas. Gravasti term used for war often fought over cattle. Vedic people consumed milk, barley, ghee, meat, and soma. Music and dance were part of the ritual. Samveda related to music. Gambling was a common dice game in the Mahabharata. Epic text in Ramayana and Mahabharata involved during the later Vedic period. Early Vedic culture was rural and later Vedic became the urbanized. Writing was unknown, all the text preserved through the oral tradition. Vedic civilization laid the foundation of the Hindu philosophy. The tradition from the Vedic to Mahajanapada period marks the start of the historical state and empires. ଆପଣ ଯଦି କଣ୍ଟେଣ୍ଟ ଭଲ ଲାଗିଲା ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ଲାଇକ୍ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରିବେ ଓ PSCSର ଇ ବୁକ୍ ଦରକାର କିମ୍ବା ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ୍ ବୁକ୍ ଦରକାର ଆପଣମାନେ ଡିଟେଲ୍ ପଢ଼ିପାରିବେ କ୍ୟୁଆର୍ କୋଡ଼୍ ସ୍କାନ୍ କରିବେ ନହେଲେ ଯଦି କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା ହେଉଛି ଆପଣମାନେ କମେଣ୍ଟ ସେକ୍ସନରେ ପିନ୍ କରିଥିବା ମେସେଜରେ ଆପଣମାନେ କ୍ଲିକ୍ କରିପାରିବେ OSSC ଓ SSC ପାଇଁ ଆପଣ ଯଦି ଇ ବୁକ୍ ଦରକାର ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ ଏଠି ଡିଟେଲ୍ସ ପଢ଼ନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ ଭଲ ଲାଗିଲା ଆପଣମାନେ ନିଶ୍ଚୟ କ୍ୟୁଆର୍ କୋଡ଼୍ ସ୍କାନ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ ନହେଲେ କମେଣ୍ଟ ସେକ୍ସନ୍ ଥିବା ପିନ୍ କମେଣ୍ଟରେ ଆପଣମାନେ ସେଠି ଲିଙ୍କ୍ ପାଇଯିବେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଆଜିର ଲିଙ୍କ୍ ମୁଁ ଆପଣ କମେଣ୍ଟ ସେକ୍ସନ୍ ଦେଇଦେଇଛି ଆପଣମାନେ ଯାଇକି ଦେଖିପାରିବେ ଆଉ କଣ୍ଟେଣ୍ଟ କେମିତି ଲାଗିଲା ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ଲାଇକ୍ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ ସୋ ମଚ୍